this would be a great way to continue to remind yourself of God's everlasting grace. And then Jasmine says, "This all sounds great. I think I'm ready to make my decision now." But then her ancestors say, "Wait, you can't make your decision yet until you have the next dream. You have to know all the names before you're able to decide which one is the best out of the ones you've seen. But for now, it's time to wake up. I'll visit you in another dream tomorrow so that we can continue." Watch the next episode to see what happens to Jasmine.